In this video, I'm going to share with you how I can get paid $20 an hour while I just do my regular shopping. Alright, so let me give you some insight. So I'm able to actually make money while I'm shopping. So when I go to my local Walmart or Target or drugstore like a CVS or a Rite Aid, I'm able to make some money because I'm already there shopping, and I've got a separate task that I can do that will pay me money while I'm already doing something I'd normally already be doing. And what I'm doing is I'm taking pictures of different products. I'm going to take pictures of products that I may or may not buy, but I'm taking the pictures of the products that are in the stores themselves, sitting on a shelf or on a display, and I'm getting paid for that. And who's paying me? Well, the manufacturers of those products are going to pay me to take those pictures. They want to see how their product is being displayed, right? So where's the placement? What shelf is it on? How is the display set up? What does the environment look like? And since I'm already there, it's easy for me to just use my smartphone and take these pictures. And what am I doing to get that done? Well, I'm using an app called Field Agent, and it's in the it's in the Apple Store. It's on Google's Play Store. So if you've got an Android phone, you can find it as well. And if you look at the Field Agent website, it tells you, right? So they're performing an on-demand. I'll read it to you. It's an on-demand platform for retail audits, mystery shops, market research, and digital product demonstrations. So Field Agent is recruiting people like myself to download this app and then go out to different stores and take pictures of products, right? So maybe they're doing a mobile audit. They want to see where the product, the manufacturer's interested in seeing where the product is. Or they're doing market research. They want to see what competitors are nearby. They're checking to see if the display is set up properly, like they've contracted with these stores to do. And so for the manufacturers, they can't visit every store that they're working with, and so they hire people like me to go out and take these pictures for them. And the platform we use is an app called Field Agent. So probably the easiest thing for me to do right now, let's go over to the Field Agent website and we'll take a look at it. But before I do, if you know what I'm talking about, leave me a comment below with the word yes. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, leave a comment below with the word no. All right, let's go take a look. So I started up a new web browser, and I'm pointing over to fieldagent.net. So this is the website, the company that runs this application called Field Agent. So from here you can learn more about the company itself. In fact, if you look at this menu bar, you can see what we do, how it works, contact, and the application itself. So if you're interested in learning more about the app before you want to even dive in and try something like this, they've got a video right on the front that kind of explains what they do. So you can go ahead and watch this video, get more information. Also, you can see right here they briefly explain what they do, and kind of like what I mentioned before, right? They're doing mobile audits, so they're going out to stores, and they have an interest in finding out where their product is, how it's placed, what's the environment around there, and so they're hiring people like you and I to download the Field Agent app on their smartphone, going out to the different sites and taking pictures. So this would be like a mobile audit, doing some research to find out product placement, as I mentioned before, the environment, doing some mystery shopping even, and maybe even doing a digital demo where you actually go online and access a product and run it through its paces and provide some information, kind of like an opinion poll. So if you want more information, head on over to fieldagent.net. So the first thing to do is to go and download the app. It's called Field Agent, and you can see it here. Go ahead and click on it. It's got 4.8 stars, and it shows you a little bit of the front end, and then you can see some of the organizations that take advantage of this. So most of these you're probably very familiar with, right? Target, Kohl's, Kroger, Amazon.
Albertsons, Walgreens, Walmart. So the market for tasks typically is pretty close to wherever everybody lives, and you'll be able to do this day and night at different locations. So after I've downloaded the application, I can go ahead and open it. And then I need to create an account. So I'm going to go ahead. You can log in using your Facebook account, or you can sign up with an email. So I'm going to do that, use my email. And then I'll input my information. And then once you input your name and your email address and your password, you go ahead and click sign up. You read through the privacy policy and accept the terms and conditions. Click accept. And then there's the field agent agreement. Go ahead and read through that and click accept. And then after you submit your application, it's going to ask you to answer a few profile questions. And they do this so it helps them target the right jobs for you that match your particular situation. So go ahead and answer the profile questions. And then after you answer your questions, you submit and update your profile. And then the application will ask you if you want to allow access to your location. And I find this is very helpful, right? So as the application learns about where you're at, it can scan the database to find out what jobs are nearby. So you want to allow this, and you can either do it while the app is open, or just a one-time thing. And so for myself, I like to do it whenever I'm using the app. I want it to continuously look to see if there's any jobs nearby. So I always click allow when using the app. And then you'll be asked if you want to have notifications sent to you. And I like this also because then the application can tell me if there's any jobs nearby, where I'm at, and I want to be notified because I want to be the first one to grab some of these jobs. And let me mention that if there's jobs in the area, right? So wherever I'm at, where I'm currently at, there's only a certain number of opportunities available, right? So they may have 1 at Target, 2 at Walmart, 3 at the Kroger, and as soon as those positions get filled, so as soon as other people using the same application, the same field agent application, if they accept it, that means I won't be able to do it. And so, not that it's a race, but if you're looking to make money and you want to have as many opportunities available as possible, you want to go ahead and accept these as soon as you can, which means you want to be notified as soon as possible. So I like to allow notifications. And then once I've completed, now I've got a listing of jobs available for me to pick and choose from. So something I want to point out, when you get the find jobs and you get a list of different jobs that are available, they'll list them by categories, right? So some of them are ticket jobs, there's bonus opportunities, do audits, some general odds and ends, there's specific Walmart customer service opportunities. You can also search for them by map. So if you've input your zip code, the application knows where you're at, and it'll find jobs that are close to your proximity. So you can see where I'm at. I've got some jobs nearby here. You'll want to go to the training center section and use the little pull down here, and you'll see several entries here. I always recommend at a minimum you always want to do the field agent training job here, because what it does is it gets you acclimated and used to using the application, understanding what a field agent is, and what you'll be required to do typically as a field agent. So you want to go ahead and accept this job and perform this training. Other training Uh, they teach you how to buy, try, and share. There's a scavenger hunt, so if you're out and about looking for things, there's some tips and tricks that they'll help you learn, so you want to do that. And the other thing is, by completing some of these trainings, they also qualify you for some other opportunities that other folks may not see. So if you go through this training and you complete it successfully, then what that does is it tells the application that you're qualified to do more and more. And so, if the application has special jobs that require certain training or certifications, if you have these, then you'll be able to take advantage of it. The folks that don't have this will not be able to, and so they're going to miss out. So I always recommend every once in a while, maybe once a week, you spend a little bit of time, go through the training that's available so that you can learn about it, become certified, and then that'll open more opportunities for you to earn more money. So I've opened up the Field Agent app, and I wanted to point out something real quick here. As we look at these different jobs that are available, I'm going to go ahead and open this category here called Buy and Try. What's interesting is that in these particular tasks, what you're asked to do is go to the store, find a particular product, purchase it, and then try it out. Now, a lot of you may be thinking, hey, wait a minute, why would you buy these products? Well, don't worry about it. You'll get reimbursed. So you want to make sure you save your receipt. So whatever you pay for the product, you'll get reimbursed for it. So the net effect is zero cost, but you do have to purchase it up front. Now, the numbers you see on the right-hand side here in green, that's the amount of money that you'll earn by completing the task. And if you look at this first one, it's Baby Magic Buy and Try, so it's probably a baby product. They want you to go and buy a product, and they give you a suggested location. Here's one at Walmart. The time allowed is 10 hours, so once you accept this job, you have 10 hours to complete it. Go out, purchase that, which means going out, purchasing it, bringing it home, trying it out, and then responding to the survey questions. And once you successfully complete this task, you'll earn $5. Let's take a look at the job overview, what they're asking you to do. If we look at the job overview, what they're asking you to do is go out and purchase one of the following products. In particular, this is very specific, right? So it's Baby Magic 3-in-1 baby wipes, fragrance-free, 72 count, and they give you a picture. So what you want to do is you want to find this exact same product. I can't stress this enough. Don't buy, the baby wipes that are 48 count, because that's not what they're asking for. It's 72. And don't get the ones that have a fragrance, because they want fragrance-free. So very specific, buy this exact same product, because if you don't, you will not get paid. So you want to go out and find this exact same product, purchase it, bring it home, try it out, take some pictures of the product, at your home as you're trying it out. And then it says you'll be asked to try the product and answer some questions regarding your experience, right? So it'll have some survey questions dealing with the product itself. And these are things that the manufacturer is interested in, right? So it may be something like, was, the labeling on the packaging clear? Were you able to open it easily? Was the product, too dry, too moist? So you get some questions like that. And then, as I mentioned, they're going to want a picture of the photo, or a photo of the product in the environment where you're using it at your home. And so they may ask you to write a couple sentences or two about your experience in addition to answering the survey questions. One quick thing to point out, you'll see a line here that says earn up to $16 more at this location. So what is all that about? Right? So this product, 10 hours to complete, $5 payment, but you can earn up to $16 at this particular location that they've recommended. If you click on it, it tells you there's more jobs at this location, and it lists each of the jobs here, right? So the first one is the one we just looked at, the Baby Magic Buy and Try, that's $5. There's a Walmart customer service audit, which is a $5 if you complete that task. Here's a digital demo with Minute Rice. It's a buy and try. It's $3. Again, right? So if you buy the product, You get reimbursed full price for it, so it won't cost you anything. But you complete that's $3. And then this last one is a self-checkout host study, another $3. So if you total all these up, they're $16. So, if you're going to Walmart anyways, this particular Walmart, and you're gonna be there buying, whatever it is you buy on a daily basis or a weekly basis, and you complete some of these tasks in addition to what you're already doing, there's an additional $16 you can earn by going to Walmart and performing some of these tasks. You don't have to do all of them. You can do one, or maybe two of them or three of them. Whatever's interesting to you, you can go ahead and do. So that's another way to earn even more money and be more efficient, right? So you're not making a special trip to the store. You're already going there, but then you've got several opportunities for you to earn some money while you're there.
Hi, quick announcement. We're super excited about this new ebook titled 20 Ways to Make an Online Income. If you're stuck thinking about different ways that you can work from home, get this free ebook. It's real simple. All you do is visit TEACHucation.com/free ebook and we'll send it right out to you. You can also click a link in the description below. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, smash the like button. And also, be sure to subscribe so you'll get access to all my videos. And then click on the bell icon so you'll get notified every time I release a new video with more tips, tricks, hints, and secrets. If you have a dream of working from home, make a plan, take action on that plan, and start living your dream. Hey, so I got a quick legal disclaimer here. The content that I'm sharing with you should not be construed as financial or legal advice. What I'm giving you is strictly for educational purposes only. So if you need to, please consult with a qualified professional regarding your specific situation.